Hello, today we will guide you through how to deactivate account in Slack. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step, keeping things clear and simple. Deactivating your account removes your access to the workspace while preserving the messages and files you've already shared for others. If you're an owner looking to permanently shut down an entire workspace, there's also an option to delete the workspace, which we'll point out when we get there. Start by opening Slack and navigating to the workspace you want to manage. On the left side of the Slack window, look for the admin option in the navigation. Click that to open the administration tools for your workspace. From there, choose Workspace Settings. This will take you to Slack's settings page in your browser, where most account and workspace level options live. In the Settings view, look toward the lower left corner of the page for your Profile or Account menu. Click that to open your personal options, then select Account Settings. This is where you manage your individual profile, security, and deactivation preferences. On the Account Settings page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Deactivate Account. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to confirm you won't lose anything you still need. Deactivation will sign you out and prevent you from signing back in, but your existing messages and files will remain available to your teammates according to your workspace's retention settings. If you're certain, select the option to deactivate and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm your identity and acknowledge what deactivation means for your access. If your goal is not just to remove your own access, but to completely shut down the workspace, look for the option to delete the workspace. This option appears only for authorized owners, and it is much more final. Deleting a workspace permanently removes the workspace and its content after Slack's required confirmations. Click Delete the workspace, then carefully review the warnings. When you're ready, click Delete and follow the on-screen procedure. You may need to enter your credentials and confirm the action, and in some cases, Slack may send an additional verification step to complete the process. Once you've deactivated your account, you'll be signed out and won't be able to rejoin without an invitation or reactivation by an admin, depending on your organization's policies. If you chose to delete the workspace, expect a confirmation that the process has begun and that the workspace will no longer be accessible after completion. That's it. You've successfully navigated to your account settings, located the deactivation option, and if appropriate, reviewed how to delete a workspace.